Make a great choice today with the 2005 Dakota. The Dodge Dakota combines form, function, and fun. With its rugged style, well-rounded capability, and seating for 6, the Dakota brings you the ultimate midsize pickup. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, cruise control, power windows, fog lights, power door locks, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.